This herbal hair rinse contains fenugreek and is packed with nutrients that enhance overall scalp and hair health, helping it to grow really healthy and strong. And with consistent use, it can help to soften, add body, and shine to your curls. So I'm so excited for you guys to try this out. If you're new, welcome to Lotus Flower Life. My name is Michelle. Subscribe and hit that bell for more DIY videos. Let's get into it.
My search led me to the study of the spiritual forces with which all...
The first obvious ingredient is fenugreek. I think this might be my new favorite herb to use because the deep conditioner I tried in my last video was so amazing. I still have it in the freezer and I've just been defrosting it and reusing it over and over again. So the next thing we're going to be using is hibiscus, and hibiscus gives the most amazing slip. Just a little bit of a warning though, if you do use hibiscus flower regularly, it can add a little bit of a reddish hue to your hair. So if you are concerned about that, you could definitely leave it out, but the end product will have less slip. The third thing we're going to use is apple cider vinegar, and this is great for balancing the pH levels of our scalp. Hibiscus as well, but this is just adding in a little extra oomph to that. This is what I use to clarify my hair if I feel like there's a little bit of buildup, and it's so important to make sure that we are removing any buildup that's in our hair because it can actually create breakage and hamper healthy hair growth. Getting back to what I'm doing, I'm just stirring the mixture around so that the honey can fully dissolve into the water. Then after pouring the hot water in, we're going to allow this to brew overnight so that the water can absorb all of the goodness from the fenugreek and the hibiscus. Everything I'm using can be found in the description box, by the way. I never leave you guys hanging. A little bit of FYI, this can last you up to 3 months so long as you store it in the freezer. All I do is just take it out the day before and just let it defrost in the fridge, or take it out a couple hours before I need to use it.
Precisely what you intend to give in return for that which...
I totally neglected my hair to show you guys how well this actually works. I always start with my scalp because I want to pay attention to there first. This herbal hair rinse actually helps to exfoliate the scalp, but it does it chemically because hibiscus flowers are a natural form of AHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids, which help to gently exfoliate the scalp. It's not going to feel like a physical scrub, but over time it helps to loosen and break up dead skin cells, helping the scalp to be exfoliated and clear. I also enhance that with a little bit of physical exfoliation using my scalp brush. When you push the button, it starts vibrating and it just feels really relaxing on the scalp, but it also really helps to get any dead skin or flakes that might be left in your hair, just get that nice and clean and washed out.
The mind can conceive and believe. The mind can achieve. When you speak of your poverty and lack of education, you are simply directing your mind power to attract these undesirable circumstances. Because it is true that whatever your mind feeds upon, your mind attracts to you. Now you see why it is important that you recognize that all success begins with...
The major key to getting this herbal hair rinse to work effectively, definitely don't just dump it in your hair, wash it out and call it a day. It has to sit in your hair to absorb and get all of the nutrients. So I always let mine sit for around 30 to 40 minutes, and then I go through with my wash day routine, shampoo, deep condition, detangle once again, and then style my curls.
On page 2 of your notebook, write down a clear statement of precisely what you intend to give in return for that which...
My curls came out so shiny and hydrated. There's so much more bounce, and I just feel like there's a certain vibrancy that my hair has when I use this herbal rinse. For me personally, I really like to just do this around once a month. I don't do it every single week, but it depends on your hair goals. If your hair goals are to grow it even faster, then you definitely want to do this once a week during your wash day. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video if you haven't already. For more videos just like this one, you can watch my fenugreek hair mask video, which I have linked in the description box below, or I will have it up in a card above. As always, I'm sending you all the love, light, and good vibes, and I will see you in the next one.